Hey, I have a quick question for you. Do you want a professional agency like ours to handle all your video creation, monetization, and syndication needs? We specialize in creating stunning videos without breaking the bank and driving new leads, sales, and traffic to your sites and offers. Now, you probably already know that new leads and customers are the lifeblood for any business. And if you've been looking to grow or scale your business using video, you are at the right place. According to HubSpot, including a video on a landing page, you can increase conversions by up to 80%. And up to 64% of users are more likely to buy a product online after watching a video. And 92% of mobile video viewers share videos with others, which means 90% of users say that videos are helpful to make their purchasing decisions. And it's time to face facts. Incorporating video into your marketing content and social media activity is no longer an option. It is downright critical for your business's survival and long-term success. This is where we come in. We can create any type of animated, explainer, social, or powerful video intros that you can use on your website and social media to get more sales and leads. Any type of video you can imagine, we can create it for you. If you're looking to grow your business, elevate your brand, and generate a consistent flow of new leads to your business, look no further because we will take care of all this for you and a lot more. However, you must hurry. Get in now because I want to mention our introductory special pricing that we are hooking up for you right now is going to go away anytime. Our rates are the best in the business. We will work with you to craft videos at the lowest price possible and stick to your budget. And our turnaround time is super fast and the quality of work is top notch. We look forward to working with you and helping you take your business to the next level and beyond.